graphic content of a fatal shooting. The Metropolitan Police Department's model use of force policy and training emphasize de-escalation, proportionality, and reasonableness. Above all, MPD recognizes the sanctity of human life and that any loss of life is a tragic outcome for a family and a community. Since December 2016, all patrol officers are required to wear body-worn cameras. On Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020, at approximately 3:49 p.m., uniformed MPD officers were in the area of the 200 block of Orange Street Southeast to investigate a man with a gun. Upon arrival, the officers approached individuals in a parked vehicle. Mr. Deon Kay exited the vehicle and began to run on foot. Officers pursued Mr. Kay on foot. An officer observed Mr. Kay brandish a firearm, and subsequently the officer discharged his service weapon once, striking Mr. Kay in the chest.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! He tossed it down there! He tossed it down there! Hey, shots fired! Shots fired! Where is it? Where is it? I don't know. I'm looking for the gun. He's up there. I did. Over me. Where? Yeah. Where's the? Hey. Me canvas. Where? Where? Down this way? He threw it. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Is there anybody else standing?
One this way. But I gotta find it. Where is it? Hey, I got it. He's got a do-rag on his head. Black male, do-rag on his head, 5'4", 100 pounds, wearing a black shirt. I got it right here.
Do we think he has a gun?
I don't know. This is the one that he was holding.
You good?
I'm good. I'm involved.
When the video is brought to slow motion, you can see Mr. Kay brandish a firearm in his right hand. Mr. Kay's handgun was recovered by the Department of Forensic Sciences and taken as evidence. Officers provided first aid until DC Fire and EMS transported Mr. Kay to a local hospital where he died. As of September 3, 2020, this incident is pending review by the United States Attorney's Office for the District of Columbia and the Metropolitan Police Department's Use of Force Review Board.